Welcome back. Now, if you are going to execute a direct marketing strategy using direct mail, you will need to give your customers a reason to give you their mailing address. And one of the ways that you can do that is to sell a physical product. And you can do that by going into your products area in your shopping cart. Once again, in this case, we are going to use ThriveCart. However, you can use your shopping cart system. We're going to create a specific product. And this time, we are going to create a physical product. We're then going to click Create a New Product. Now, in most cases, most of the setup process will be similar to setting up a digital product. You'll need to set a specific price. You can determine if you are going to set up a bump offer. Now, one of the things you're going to need to configure will be your shipping option. And this is where you will determine how you're going to get the product to your customer. Inside of this shopping cart, you will determine your shipping rate and the fulfillment provider for that rate. If you were doing the packing and shipping, you can set up a manual shipping option. What you'll want to do is you'll want to determine the weight. You'll want to determine it according to your measurement system. If relevant, you'll want to determine the dimensions. And you'll want to determine where you are willing to ship. And you'll determine the amount that you want to charge for shipping. You'll then click Next. Now in ThriveCart, you'll need to make it available all the time, this option. You'll then click Save. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to set up as many options as you want to make available for your product. You'll then want to determine how you want to communicate with your customer after their purchase. You can choose to have them added to a membership site that you have set up with your shopping cart, or you can send them to a thank you page URL where you will explain to them what will happen next. And when the customer comes to the checkout page, they'll need to place in their email address, and they will then place in their shipping information. And when you are setting up your behavior rule and you have the individual added to a specific list, you are going to want to make sure that that list is configured to receive a physical mailing address along with the email address so that you'll have that information to use at a later date. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.